Hello, my garden friends. In today's video, I'm going to take you shopping at the Dollar Tree so we can check out the brand new fall inventory that just arrived. They still have seeds, stackable containers, and the cutest decorations so you can dress up your fall flower pots, garden, or your front porch. So let's go. Now let's go inside and be inspired by all the new fall goodies they have. You know, the Dollar Tree is a lot like our gardens. With each new season, there's always something new to see. Look at these cute little animals. I don't know what we would use these for. Maybe put them in a flower pot. Little raccoons, a hedgehog. Aren't those just adorable? And a little fox. Those are so cute. Lots of little pumpkins. Oh my goodness, and look at the little fall gnomes. Wouldn't these be so cute for a fairy garden with all the pretty fall colors? Those are adorable. You could really dress up a flower pot, stick one of these in it. All the cute little pumpkins with the gold tops. Happy harvest. And of course they have the garden stakes. I have a couple of these at home and I love them. Sunflowers, pumpkins, and more of these gnomes. I'm really liking these harvest gnomes with all the fall colors. Super cute. And these are $1.25 each. And of course, all these cardboard fall decors. You can put these on your front door or your back patio door just to give your house a little, fall welcoming feeling. Now I stand corrected. They're not $1.25. They are now $1.50. But that's still pretty good. I mean, that's just the way life is. Prices go up, cost of living, etc. Hay rides, corn maze, apple cider. That is super cute. I don't know if you're starting to think about your Thanksgiving table, but there's a lot of cute fall decorations here. And these little pumpkins would be adorable if you wanted to share seeds with one of your garden friends. What a cute way to share the harvest, right? Cute little fresh apple cider sign. Grateful. Oh my gourd, I love fall. Very cute stuff. And all these pumpkins down here, they're like soft. Probably a styrofoam ball is inside there. So it's very light, very pretty. These would look pretty on a Thanksgiving table. Yeah, I'm sure those are all filled with styrofoam. All $1.50 each. Wow, this one's really cute. This is a pretty big one for $1.50. That's a great price. That's adorable. Oh, and these are pretty too. I love all the little sparkly threads in those. Very pretty. Here's a couple little baskets. You could put a plant in there or some fresh tomatoes or whatever you want. You could share your harvest in those cute little baskets. Oh, and look at this fake corn. That is so cute. And more little scarecrow sticks, 2 pieces, and you could stick those in little terracotta flower pots and make a nice gift for somebody. More of these stakes over here. I don't know if they're $1.50 or $1.25. And more fake corn. I think I like this color best. Now these scarecrows are $6, but look how big they are. That stands about 4 feet tall. They would be cute in the doorway, your front porch. welcome fall doormats, and these are $5 each. Looks like they have pretty pumpkin designs on them and fall leaves. Really pretty. Not bad for $5. I really like the animal theme this year in Dollar Tree with all the raccoons and foxes and hedgehogs. I think they're really colorful and cute. Fall tablecloths for your picnic table or your patio table. I'm not sure how much those are. You can't really see prices on everything. They can't be more than $5. These are really cute. So they're either $1.50 or $5. I have no idea. Because all these items are new, maybe they haven't marked them yet. Those are really pretty lanterns. Pumpkin pillows and a Lazy Susan that actually spins. I love these plant stands for $5. In the summertime, they were all different colors, but now for fall, they're more earth tones. And look at how cute that is with the little lantern on top. Actually, the white one is really pretty too. And inside this, it's not a real candle. It's one of those little battery-operated ones that flicker. See, you just turn it on right there. These little fake harvest jugs are adorable and would look really cute with sunflowers sticking out of them. I would use that as a vase for sure. And of course, one of my favorite items at Dollar Tree, and these are never seasonal, they just always have them, are these waste paper baskets. They make perfect cloches. And since we're all going to be starting our fall seeds soon, these are perfect. And they also come in black. They're $1.50 each, and I just love those baskets. And they also have smaller sized baskets. See, you just flip them upside down, and then the birds can't get to your seeds. And of course, they still have some seeds left. These are probably left over from the summer inventory, but it's not too late to start marigolds. I'm actually starting some right now. And these are 4 packs of seeds for $1. Zinnias and marigolds, morning glories. And they also have some of these stackable planters left. I really like these. They're super fun when you mix the colors, like the blue with the ivory color. However, I will be very honest with you. I don't care for these smaller ones. They dry out super quick, and I don't think the plants do so well in those. They're only good for starting seeds, but the larger size, those are great for growing herbs and stuff. And right now they're $1.25 each. So if you were to stack 6 of them, that would be $7.50. Not too bad, not too bad. See how cute that is when you mix all the colors together? So that little setup will be $7.50 when you're done paying for it. Dollar Tree also sells the cocoa liner. They're $1.25 each. Some garden tools, the rakes. But this is one of my favorite items. These plant labels for $1.25, you get 10 of them. I absolutely love these. I use these a lot for my gardening gloves. They're a perfect container just to put all your gloves in. And if you don't want to use those waste paper baskets to cover your seeds, Dollar Tree also sells these plant cloches. And they even have a little thing on the top to let the air circulate and flow through. $1.25 for a plant cloche. Weren't those decorations so cute? I fell in love with all the little animals. But one thing I do want to point out, they're changing their prices from $1.25 to $1.50. So if you go shopping now, you still might be able to get items for $1.25. Anyway, thanks for going shopping with me. I hope you have a beautiful day in your garden too. Bye.